Recently, news spread that the cost of materials for standardized garbage bags would increase, triggering what many called a nationwide panic buying frenzy. Today, let's explore the economic principles behind panic buying and its broader social effects. Information, asymmetry, and the bandwagon effect. From an economic perspective, panic buying is not entirely irrational. Purchasing goods in advance, when prices are expected to rise, can be a rational economic decision. However, information asymmetry plays a major role in this process. Although the government repeatedly announced that the supply of garbage bags was sufficient, individual consumers could not know the exact supply levels or distribution plans. In the absence of clear information, consumers often assume a worst-case outcome, fearing they may be unable to obtain a product even if they have the means to pay. Under such conditions, the bandwagon effect emerges, with individuals following others' behavior. As shoppers observe bulk buying, fear of missing out spreads quickly, triggering a broader surge in purchases and intensifying demand across the market. Self-fulfilling prophecy and side effects. This chain reaction of economic behavior leads to a psychological phenomenon known as a self-fulfilling prophecy. This occurs when a belief that something will happen changes behavior in ways that cause the belief to become reality. In the case of the garbage bag panic, production had not stopped. However, the belief that shortages would occur led to empty shelves. This dynamic leads to several unintended consequences. Unlike under normal conditions, demand may keep rising even as prices increase. As a result, people who genuinely need the product, especially vulnerable groups, may find it increasingly difficult to access. Restoring trust in public systems. A key aspect of the garbage bag panic is that, unlike products made by private companies, these bags are publicly managed. Prices cannot rise indefinitely, and the government can step in to take action if problems develop. Despite this, people chose to stockpile goods rather than trust the public system. This suggests that trust in public institutions was not strong enough. Therefore, resolving panic buying requires reducing information asymmetry, restoring trust in public systems, and implementing appropriate policies.